Hi guys, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we are trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. And today I have another haul for you. It's gonna be Elfin' Amazing. That's right, it's an elf haul. Woo! I love makeup so much. It's like my ultimate hobby right now. Do I have a beauty channel? Not really. Do I dabble? I guess so. Do I love makeup? Yes. Am I great at it? No. But I try my best and I just love it. Probably more than most. So, and I'm an old person, so whatever. I spend my money how I want to. And this time I decided to spend it on some elf stuff. So if you want to see that, stick around. And before you do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you can be notified of all my future uploads. What's your favorite product from elf? Please comment below. Comments really helps YouTube to notice me, and that would be wonderful. Thanks so much. All right, let's dive right in. I'm gonna try to keep it quick. I'm not gonna swatch everything and go crazy. I will try to open things and show you, but there was a big sale at elf and there was a whole bunch of stuff that was 60% off, so I did take advantage of that. And then I have found a couple of items at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Dollar Tree within the last week or so as well that I just threw in the box for the elf haul, so I'll let you know. So this came from the site. It is the Moisturizing Sleeping Mask. I love their packaging right now, like all these little packages. It's so pretty. It is a plastic bottle, but there's hair everywhere. Just did a hair video in here, can you tell? It's a plastic bottle, but it almost looks like sea glass. I like a sleeping mask, so some nights I go through the whole procedure and slather like 60 layers on, and then other nights I'm a little lazy and I just like a really thick cream, which is basically what a sleeping mask is. So there's that, and I have tried it. I peeked and opened this one early, and it is really nice. The next thing I got was this Beautifully Bare Targeted Natural Glow Stick. It doesn't have any sparkle in it. It's supposed to be just right to kind of put it, let's just put it on, maybe over some highlight that you're wearing. You can wear it over top of foundation. It just gives you a little bit of a glow, and maybe if you've got a foundation that's just not popping or is really dry or it's worn off, this kind of pumps it back up. Like I said, there's no glitter, there's no shimmer, there's no sparkle. I guess you could get the same effect from maybe putting like Vaseline on your face, but that would be pretty thick and goopy. Now you can definitely feel this, and I don't think it's going to dry down, but I mean already right out of the gate I'm kind of really feeling that. Wow. This could be no makeup for sure. Wow, that really does give you some shine. I hope you can see it on camera because it looks really pretty. So, and all of this, I'm not doing prices because I don't remember, but it was all pretty cheap, and you know that I'm cheap. So Targeted Natural Glow Stick, you can kind of put it anywhere. Loving that so far. Wow. I think it did come in a couple of colors as well, but I just got the clear. Next I got this foundation palette in light medium, and it does look pretty dark actually. It was something, it's cream, and it's something I wanted to fiddle around with, and it's really dark. That's too dark for me. This will work for summertime, I think, but that's really dark. I don't know. I could, well, I think I could get that to work. But just a little small foundation palette. Boop. And along the same lines, I got this e.l.f. Illuminating Palette, which I got for $2.99. I'm not sure how much it is on the site. I think it's maybe $6 on the site. I got it for $2.99 at TJ Maxx. I see these there all the time. I've seen them at all different times of year. It is a powder. It just has 4 highlighters. They are very, very subtle. So if you like a really subtle highlight, that is going to be for you. So let's try putting some of this on my hand, and then we're going to put some of this illuminating stick over it. Oh yeah. It's going to be hard for you to see, but if at all. But in person, it does look pretty nice. This is for you ladies that like to keep it subtle, which is not me, especially when it comes to highlight. I got this brow set match little kit, and all this stuff was such great sale prices. This is just a clear brow wax and a clear brow gel for when we just want to keep things in order and don't want to go nuts with it. I like the brow gel for sure, and it's teeny tiny, which is really cool that you can get in and do tiny little detail work, which is nice. So mostly bought this for this, and I want to say this was like less than $2. Next thing I got was this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I did get this at TJ Maxx for $3.99, and it is a little dark. It's definitely a summer for me, which I'm coming out of summer now, so I need to actually open this and use it now while my skin is still light. If I were doing, you know, spray tan or fake tanning at home or whatever, this would be a good shade. So I've heard a lot of good things about this foundation, and I'm excited to give it a whirl. It is in a glass bottle, and with a, oh, see, it was fully sealed, but the cap had untwisted itself. I mean, it was fully sealed. There's no way that this was tampered with, because it was like I had to bust it out of there. But this happens sometimes when you, this is the risk you take at TJ's. So who knows how long it's been open now and if it's going to be good at all. It still smells good. Oh, it actually smells really good too. I've never smelled this foundation, but we're going to have to do a serious amount of cleanup. Dang it. Usually this happens when idiots get into everything and like mess with it. But that could not have happened. This was all sealed. You saw it. I don't know. Gosh darn it. Ugh. All right. The next thing I got, which I'm really excited about, is this Complexion Perfection Face Brush Kit. And it came with 4 brushes. It was $6. I do remember this one, which was a really good deal compared to buying all these brushes separately. This one I don't care too much about, the contour one, although it is really nice and skinny, which I do like. Gosh, that highlight stuff looks good. Love that. It's really skinny, which I do like for a contouring brush, so maybe I will use it. But I was really excited about this one, the Ultimate Blending Brush. I think it's going to be really nice for foundation, and it's so soft. These brushes, e.l.f. does good brushes. I don't care who you are, and they're super cheap. Man, is that soft. It's nice and densely packed. You can see there, but not crazy. And then it also came with this little concealer brush, which honestly, I don't use a whole lot, maybe to cut out the eyebrow. I mean, sometimes I use these little flat concealer brushes even to do like shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm not too excited about that one, but this one is pretty cool, the Flawless Concealer Brush. I like a fluffy concealer brush if I'm gonna do a concealer brush. I like a fluffy one, and I don't have one like this, so I was pretty psyched for those Flawless Complexion, Ultimate Blending, and Flawless Concealer Brush. These are the 2 I was really excited for, and that at $6 for the 4 brush set, that makes them only $3 each, so still worth it even if I never use the other 2. The next thing I got was a Dollar Tree score. This was, I just found this at Dollar Tree, so you can probably still get them now. It is the e.l.f. Smudge Pot in Cruisin Chic. And the smooth gliding gel formula is perfect for long-lasting eyeshadow or eyeliner. I love a cream shadow. It's a really pretty color, the Cruisin Chic. It is a shimmery taupe, which I think is going to be, wow, that's really pretty. Really, really pretty. So, loving that. It was $1. You can't beat it. And they did have a billion of these at my Dollar Tree, but this was the only shade that they had, which is usually the case when you find this kind of stuff, brand name stuff. At Dollar Tree, it just means that that shade, you know, maybe didn't sell well, or they made too much of it, or what have you. The next thing I got was this e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Glistening Peach. You're supposed to be able to use this all over the face, cream to powder stick as your eyeshadow, lipstick, and blush. So cream to powder, I'm not sure about that. Years ago, they made these, and I had them in every color back when e.l.f. was, everything was $1 on the whole site. I had a bunch of these, and actually this may have been a shade that I had. It looks really familiar, but it says cream to powder. Whoops, I just made a mess. I don't know how true that is, but it's a pretty color. Anything that you can multitask with is okay by me, but I'll probably end up mostly just using it on my cheeks. Okay, the next thing I got was another Dollar Tree find. It is the Gotta Glow Lip Tint. This unique lip tint delivers a personalized shade of color, enhancing the color of your natural lips. So it is in Perfect Berry, which looks like black almost. I mean, it is so dark. Look at this packaging though. Is that not completely beautiful for $1? It literally looks like black lipstick, but it does not go on like black lipstick. It goes on like that, a purpley tint. It's very, very light. Let's throw it on over top. So you can see there's a slight difference there. If I didn't have lipstick on, I'm sure it would tint my lips a little bit on their own. And it's very moisturizing. I'm wearing a NYX liquid suede lipstick, which is pretty dry. Doesn't smell like anything, but pretty color. I like a lip tint because I can just throw it on, and I mess up my lipstick so bad all the time. I have very vague lip lines on the bottom from years of playing the trombone. So anything that's like low maintenance, I can just throw on, I'm all about. All right, I did get another lip product as well, and this did also come from the dollar store. It is the Moisturizing Lipstick in Bordeaux Beauty, which is a pretty dark color, but I think it is really beautiful. And I do like really dark colors every now and again, especially fall, winter. Look at that. Woo! Pretty. And it's like glides on like a butter.
I like butter.
Butter.
So for $1, every now and again, you'll get a shade of these in there. And this is a really rich shade that I'm kind of psyched about for $1. And the next thing I got was this e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. I really like this primer. I've been using this for years. It is similar to the e.l.f. Beauty Shield primer that I use all the time. If you follow me on Instagram, you see this a lot in my look of the day pictures. And whoops, it's nice, it's brightening, it's not a liquidy kind of consistency, it's almost like gritty, but it's not gritty, you know what I'm talking about. It's like very similar also to the Smashbox Pore Reducing Primer. I wouldn't call it a dupe just because this is flesh colored and that one's not, but the other e.l.f. one that's the same consistency I would call a dupe for that primer. But yeah, easy peasy, loving it. It's usually $6. I think it was on sale for like maybe $3 something. And then I got a couple of free gifts. The first free gift I got was this Luxe Lash Kit, tweezer included, multi-dimensional layers, and it is in the look Winged and Bold. I don't wear lashes a lot, but it was free, so what the hey. These are actually the kind that I do like if I am going to wear them, where they're smaller on the inside and get bigger on the outside. That works better for my hooded lids. And then this was another free gift, which was the e.l.f. Plus Glow Taupe Highlighter. And taupe is a little dark, I think, for me. I like this packaging. It's really cute. And, but this highlighter is like a mousse, which I love mousse type products. And I'm really into the mousse highlighters and eyeshadows that they sell at Shop Miss A. And this is super similar to that. So I think I could use this as a highlighter if I really thinned it out, or definitely I'll use it as an eyeshadow for sure. So again, for free. Loving it. I'm loving it. The final item I got in my little e.l.f. haul was this Chromatic eyeshadow palette called Posh Peacock. How long has that been like that? Good gravy. Oh, I'm so gross. That's the trick. Open, place, pull. And I should have done it as soon as I put that lipstick on, because this will keep lipstick from hitting your teeth. As soon as you put lipstick on, do that little trick. It will help. Better? Okay. Posh Peacock. So I just got a little palette super similar to this from Shop Miss A, but I guess I didn't remember that I had ordered that, or maybe I ordered them at similar times. So it is the same size and shape as their baked eyeshadow palettes, a little bigger than their 10-pan shadow palettes, of which I have many. I love those. So, oh geez, that's hard to open. Okay, nobody's got time for that. Okay, so here it is. Came with the, and actually like, wow, that's an actually decent little brush. It's super soft. There's like a little shader on one side and a blender on the other. I could actually use that. I mean, I probably won't, but I could. So it came with that. And then we've got a variety. It looks like these three are mattes and the rest are shimmers. And they are really pretty. You could definitely do a full look from this. Oh, whoop, there's my stuff. Hey, hi camera. Hi, crap everywhere. There's Audrey Hepburn on the wall. Hey girl. She's my inspiration. Just love her. Breakfast at Tiffany's. Favorite movie ever. Anywho, so you could definitely do a whole look with this palette. Love these colors, and I've actually been keeping all this in the box and haven't touched it since I got it because I wanted to do a haul, but I'm really psyched to use this because I have green eyes, well, hazel eyes, but they tend to go green, so I'm really excited about this. Yeah, all right. So guys, that is the e.l.f. haul. Not super exciting, but you know, a haul is a haul. I think all of this was on sale, and besides the things I got at TJ Maxx and the Dollar Tree, which if you want them, hurry out now to look for them, and I always find e.l.f. at both of those places. I think everything else that I bought is still available on the website. It was just on sale. It wasn't on a clearance. There was just a fall sale going on. So if you're interested in any of these items, check it out. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, blah, blah, blah. Keep coming back. Take care of you.